The following question states that which substance is insoluble in water. You just need to figure out which substance is insoluble in water, and for to answer this question you need to refer to the solubility table, which gives you the description of which substances are soluble and which ones are insoluble. So I have copied this table over here. Remember, you have to remember this table by heart. So the first thing is that the statement of the table is that all nitrates, anything that has NO3-1 in it, or group 1 in it, or NH4+1, all these compounds, they're going to be soluble. So if you look at options A and B contain ammonium ions. They contain NH4 plus ions. This one also contains NH4 plus ion. So since both of them contain ammonium ion, and the first statement is that any compound that contains ammonium ion is going to be soluble. So the first two compounds are going to be soluble. So they are definitely not the answer for this question. We are looking for an insoluble compound. At option C we have, let's look at D. D contains a nitrate, and remember this first statement also said that anything that contains nitrate, all nitrate compounds, they're going to be soluble. So D is going to be soluble as well. So that would leave us with C, option C. Option C is calcium carbonate. So let's look at the table and find out what is the statement for carbonates. So carbonates are mentioned over here, and what it states is that all carbonates salts are insoluble. So they are mostly insoluble except group 1 and NH4+1 salts. So this is a carbonate, and he's saying that all carbonate salts are insoluble except group 1. This is not group 1 or NH4+1 salt. So it's not a group 1 or NH4+1 carbonate. So this is going to be insoluble according to the solubility table. So this is going to be the correct answer for this question. Option C is going to be the correct answer.